we are presenting our demo for assignment 2 of distributed computing. So here we have a 3-node distributed chat room using the Ricart Agrawala mutual exclusion algorithm. So here Amit would be running the server, Satya will be running client A, and Jyoti will be running client B. So here is how actually we'll run the demo. First, Amit will start the server and will be seeing like it is listening on port 9000 as expected. Then Satya will bring up client A and then followed up by Jyoti bringing up client B. So both clients actually will confirm they can reach each other. Okay. So then we'll show these three scenarios where like first Satya will do a single post while Jyoti stays idle. So that will actually show a quick critical section with no contention. Okay. Then we'll move on to the second one. Uh, in the second scenario, Jyoti will do a view while there is no activity to show that reads bypass the locking protocol entirely. And in the final scenario, the headline moment, Satya and Jyoti will fire a post at the same time. So you can see one client defer while the other enters the critical section and then watch the default reply arrive after release. So finally, like Amit will show the logs on the server to confirm how every message landed in order. So I would like to hand over to Amit to start the server.
Yeah, thanks, Chinar. I'm Amit Kumar Jha, and I'm running the file server on VM1. The server holds the shared chat.txt file and exposed to RPC, view and post. It does not participate in locking decision at all. That is enforced between the clients. I will start the server and you will see it come up listening on port 9000 over to Satya for client A.
Thanks, Amit. I am Satyaprakash Gupta, and I am running client A on VM2 as user Satya. My client loads the Ricart Agrawala module and waits until client B is reachable, and then opens the chat prompt. We'll see my logs print every algorithm event, request, reply, enter, CS, enter, exit for the critical section with Lamport timestamps. So I'll show you the client how it's going on. I'll share my screen. So set screen, and I'm running with the client A with the port 9101, and client B is running on 9102. So this is the timestamp logs which we did yesterday while doing this assignment for the testing. So I'm posting some string.
Let
Client
me
B
start
Jyoti.
server.
Yeah, hi Satya, thanks. I'm Jyoti, so running client B on the VM3 as user Jyoti. So once both clients are up, Satya and I will fire the post commands at the same time so you can see the algorithm in action. So one of us will get the critical section first based on the Lampert's tiebreak, and the other will differ until the first releases. The final chat.txt on Amit's server will contain every message in order with no corruption. So let's begin.
Server is already started. So Satya and Jyoti, you can share your screen and show it the chat.
Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. So, Jyoti, your connection is not. Can you check it? Yeah, it's to the mark. So, post. I'm posting some string, and
So
you can
yeah,
see. And when I see the view, it is getting posted here with the
Yeah.
timestamp. This one.
So I'm able to view the contents from Satya machine.
Hmm.
Now,
I will stop my sharing and Jyoti will. I think that will be the better.
so now I have initiated the post commands. So, like we can see, I have initiated a hello Satya. So Satya, you are able to see the my comments from view commands.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm able to see, and we can verify by the view command. So here
Yeah.
it is showing
So
this one.
yes.
So over to Amit for the verification of these things.
Yeah, let me check from my end. Okay. I may not share my screen because it's
I'm
recording.
stop sharing, Amit. Then
Even
we
I have
can.
stopped mine. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
Amit, you can share.
Uh, I cannot share because I'm recording. So,
Okay.
yeah, but I can. Let me try again to share. Else I will. Okay. My screen is visible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Digital.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the server where we can see all the send and receive request. Satya sent 1057 test 344 and then it received as a 320 byte. Again, Jyoti shared hello Satya 1057 and received as a 357 byte. And this whole things are stored in the chat.txt file. Let me show that as well here. And we have here just one second. Chat.txt. I'm just opening that chat.txt, and we can see here all the messages are uh, recorded here. Thank you. Over to Chinar, to conclude our entire demo.
Yeah, thanks, Amit. Thanks, Jyoti, and thanks, Satya. It was a wonderful demo. And so, to summarize, we built a three-node distributed chat where mutual exclusion is enforced entirely between the clients using Ricart Agrawala, with the server taking no part in the locking decision. The logs you just saw demonstrate two things. First, safety. At no point were both clients inside the critical section at the same time. Second, liveness. The Lampert tie break ensured the default client got its turn immediately after with no starvation. That concludes our demo for assignment 2, and we'll be putting all these details in the documentation and sharing the code in the GitHub while submitting the assignment. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, team. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Thanks.
everyone.
Thanks,
Thank
Amit.
you.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.